ki khubor ki babnya sarkar Halor ke Jingkyrduh Pisa Ghadc Autonomous District Council Myntri rambak ke jelau kan Ghadc sang mau lapen benar bala pelat Pisa kemasan folklor tingka banyarap ya ke KHASI ban siu telop igi dong tre bat ansa pelat no ru ya ke Pisa ke ba arpo saw hadu arpo folklor ka ru ya ke Pisa ba arpo san folklor tingka ba jershan ban yo siu no ya ke tul ke ba hat arbenai ke dang kan ya Pisa kam kan long ke berkuat ke GHE dalam officer principal secretary but ya deputy commissioner kumu
on this committee district council department has submitted to this government and cabinet decided to able to clear backlog approximately 12 months and will be able to pay on time. They will also accept the appointment of an I as HADC and, to overlook into the financial aspect in terms of the disbursement of the salaries, particularly of the district council, and also to look into certain aspects of financial reforms. Also, it was agreed that the council will be requested to open up an escrow account.
Myntri rambak ke jelau kon Ghadc sang ma ula penting na baka sarkar